Okay, so let's start the file handling in C++. So before to start a file handling, we should know some terminologies related to the files. So that is fundamentals of file handling. So first, what is file, right? So what is file? So it is information or the data stored under the specific name on storage devices. It is called as a file. So there are a lot of files are available on our laptop and desktop on hard disk, right? And it is having specific name and the extension. Okay. So inside that file, basically the data is available, information is available. So it is nothing but a file. Now what is a stream? So stream is a sequence of bytes. So it's like a data is in flowing. So sequence of bytes are flowing. Okay. It's a stream. The next is a text file and the binary file. So what is a text file? Text file is it is a file that stores information in ASCII characters. In the text files, each line of the text is terminated with a special character known as end of the line and a delimiter character or the delimiter. So it is a alternate end of the line or delimiter character you can say. When this end of line character is read or written, the certain internal translation takes place. So end of the line character when the your line is terminated. So special symbols or the unicodes are attached into that file internally. Okay, so that internal translation takes place. It's a certain internal translation takes place in that case if you are reading or writing to the new line. So in a text file, the normal data, whatever you are storing, it is in human readable format. So human can read, open that file and read that content. Now next type of file is a binary. So it is a file that contains information in the same format as it is held in a memory. In a binary files, no delimiters are used for the line and no translation occurs here. So there is no ending line, no terminating. It's a binary sequence and this is not human readable. It is a binary digits, right? So the file where the data is not in human readable format, all the data is in binary. The text file is data is a human readable format. So that is the two types of files, text file and binary file. Now in C++, if you want to read or write a data, then we are having the good option that ready-made classes, inbuilt classes are available to read and write a data. And these classes are available in upstream header file. So we can use a header file upstream for the file handling. And there are certain classes are available inside that upstream header file. So what are the files we will see? First is OF stream. OF stream is it represents the output stream and this is used for writing in the files. So OF stream is a output file stream. Is OF is O output and F is for file. So it is a output file stream. Next we are having is IF stream and it represents the input stream and this is used to reading the data from the file. So first is OF output file, second is IF input file. First is for reading purpose, second is for first is for writing purpose, second is for reading purpose. And the combination of reading and writing, if you want another class, so upstream is a class available. So it represents both output stream and input streams. So it can read from the file and write to the file. So upstream will work for OF stream and IF stream for both. So it is a flexible. So upstream is a more flexible. OF stream will only help you to write a data. IF stream will only help you to read a data. Okay. Now look at in a first point, OF stream example. OF stream, the object is created. How to create object? So class name and the variable name. So OF stream is a class name and the out file is a object name. It's a variable name of the OF stream type. Object dot open. Open is the function available in that OF file object, right? That is in OF stream class. And the sample.txt name is given. So the sample.txt, so that file, if it is available, then you have to write the data into that file. If the file is not available, so that file will create and then write a data. So by default, this operation will perform. So it will open. It is in open mode first. And for iupstream, same syntax. Look at iupstream, the object name in file and in file dot open. So sample.txt, it is for reading purpose. Okay. Now we go with the some of the modes available in a open. When you are opening the file, so at that time, suppose you want to apply some modes, then you can apply it. So what are the modes are available? Look at. So modes are available ISO colon app. It's a scope resolution. So next use of scope resolution is here we are using for the mentioning the modes of the file. So app is for append the data at the end of file. AT go to the end of file and opening. Then binary, if you file open in binary mode, then file will only open in reading mode. Out, the file will only open in write mode. No create file fails if the file does not exist. If the file is not available, then it will not create a file. If the file is fails if the file is exist already exists. Suppose you want to write a data. If you want to create another file with the same name, then if the file is available at that location, then it will give you no replace. Okay, so that is file fails to create if the file is already available. Truncate, delete the content of the file if it is exist. So these many file modes are available. In file modes, you have to pass in a constructor. Sorry, pass in a open method. So how to pass it? Look at example upstream file. Here you can use upstream or iStream or OUpstream. It is okay. Upstream will work for iStream as well as OUpstream. Okay. So upstream file dot open. Then the name of the file example dot bin, and look at bin. It's a binary object. Binary type. So ISO out. So it is a writing mode, or it is ISO append mode. Append the end of file, or ISO it is a binary. So multiple modes are applicable. So we are writing a data into the file. At the end of file we are writing, and that should be the binary file. So that modes we are writing in a open. So in a previous example, this example, there is no mode is used. Directly file name is used. Here file name as well as mode of the file is used. Now go to the some methods if you want to write a data. Put function is available. The function put writes a single character to the associated stream, and get will help you to read the data, read the single character from the associated streams from the file. So how to use it? So file object dot get ch, and file object dot put ch. So this is for single. Now the operation, basic operation. Suppose basic operation on the text file is, suppose we want to read or write. So what we have to do it? So first step is include the header file, that is upstream into the program. Declare the file stream object. Then file stream object means you can go with the upstream or iupstream or ostream. So depends on whether you are writing or reading. Open the file with the file stream object, that is f dot file object dot open, and then file name and the mode of the stream. Then use the file stream object with the insertion and extraction operator or other input and output functions like a put and get, and then close the file. So only 5 steps are required to read and write the data. So I will show you the code. Look, this is the example. So program to write a text file. So first hash include upstream is included. So upstream header file is included using namespace std. Into the main method OUpstream class create object created fout. Fout.open message.txt. Inside message.txt I want to write a data. Here the file mode is not used, so automatically file will create in a current location where your program is available. And then one character array is available, that is a hard-coded array, character array having size maximum 300. And the message there, hello, welcome to the file handling using C++. This is message. This is a message I want to write in a message.txt. So how to write it? So look, fout object is used, fout object, and then operator. It is a insertion operator, right? And then str is used. Insertion operator and str is used. It is a left shift, right? Fout operator and str. What is str? Str having message. So str is now write a data into the file using character array. So we can use a string also. That is string is a character array now. Here you can go with a string as a data type also. So it depends. So whether you are using string or character array. So that message will write into the file and then fout will close. How many lines of code is available? Just count. Line number 1, line number 6. Fout OF stream out. Fout, then fout dot open to second line. 6 and 7, 2 lines. 12 line to write the data, fout str, and the 14 line fout close. So 4 lines of code is sufficient to write a data into the file. Is it easy? Yes, it is very easy. Why it is easy? Because to write and read a data, inbuilt classes are available in which header file? So look at the line number 1, hash include AppStream class. Are you getting? Are you getting what I'm saying? Is it fast? Hello? Are you getting or not? My voice is coming to you? I hope you are listening. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Yes, sir.
So can you write a code? Suppose I give you the small example. Write a program to create a abc.txt file and write the content into that file. That content should be like, hello world, welcome to the file handling in C++. So can you write this program easily? Yes, by referring this slide number 22. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the example to write a data into the file. It's very, very easy. It is not at all difficult. Only you have to concentrate on which object you have to create, the name of the file and the content, and how to write the content into the file. That is a fout object. That is your file object. So same code can I replace? Same code can I replace with a line number 6? Can I replace with the upstream object? So I remove OF stream. Can I use a upstream directly here? Yes, I can use it. Why? Upstream will work for I upstream as well as O upstream. Okay. So इथे मी काय केलेलं आहे, O upstream म्हणजे फाईल राईट करण्यासाठी यूज केलेला आहे. आता मला जर डायरेक्टली अपस्ट्रीम यूज करायचं असेल तर मी करू शकतो, कारण अपस्ट्रीम हा आउटपुट फाईलसाठी रायटिंग करण्यासाठी पण यूज करू शकता आणि फाईल रीड करण्यासाठी पण यूज करू शकता. पण ओएफ स्ट्रीम हा फक्त राईट करण्यासाठीच यूज करू शकता. ठीक आहे. इथे तुम्हाला राईटच करावं लागेल. हा एफआउट ऑब्जेक्ट तुम्हाला फक्त राईट करण्यासाठीच हेल्प करेल, रीड करण्यासाठी हेल्प करणार नाही. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. आता रीड करायचं, आता रिव्हर्स. आता कसं रीड करणार? चेक. आता reverse operation. Now include hash include upstream, IO stream, then string is included because I want string in program. Look in a main method. I upstream is created fin dot open message.txt. Same file मी आता open केली जी ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड आहे. आता रीड करायचा डेटा. स्ट्रिंग लाईन नावाचा एक व्हेरिएबल डिक्लेअर केला. स्ट्रिंग लाईन इट्स एम्प्टी व्हेरिएबल. and then while loop. While loop का? Because we have to read one by one up to the end of file and then print on the screen. आता while मध्ये बघा, fin object not end of file. End of file हे function आहे. It is a function of fin object, right? It is available in iupstream class. So fin dot end of file, if it is not available, that means end of file is not reached unless and until we have to iterate. So get line. Now get line is used. So where we use a get line? just uh, try to recall the get line where we use a get line in unit number 1. We have seen how to use a get line, right? So in a get line, f in comma line, f in is object comma line. So why line is an empty object? So from the f in object, it is the data is transferred to the line. So it read a data from the file line by line using string as a data type. Are you getting? So we are reading a data line by line. So line is a string, right? And from the fin object you have to retrieve. So in a get line we have used a scene, right? The scene use केला होता. आता इथे fin use करायचा. fin का use करायचा? Scene तिथे काय use केला होता? Scene will work for read a data line by line from the console, from the terminal. आणि इथे fin का use केला? fin म्हणजे फाईल मधून रीड करायचा. fin ऑब्जेक्ट हा आयएफ स्ट्रीमचा ऑब्जेक्ट आहे. आणि तिथे scene ऑब्जेक्ट कुणाचा होता? आय स्ट्रीमचा होता. इथे आयएफ स्ट्रीम आहे. So stream objects are different available in your upstream classes and iostream classes. Okay. आता इथे fin कडून लाईन मध्ये ट्रान्सफर करायचा आणि लाईन हे प्रिंट करायचे सी आउट लाईन एंडल and then fin dot close. So how many lines of code is there? Now here only while loop is added. While loop is added, right? So again it is a 5 to 6 lines of code to read a data from the file. So can you write a program to read and write a data from the file and into the file by referring slide number 22 and 23? Yes, can we write? Yes or no? So if you have a doubt, you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
जर doubt असेल तर विचारा. So most of the time students are having problem related to the file handling. They are assuming it is very difficult. File handling is very difficult. It is not at all difficult. Only you have to concentrate which stream object we have to use it. Okay.